it's Morgan from WTI, and I am loving these trivets. These adorable green and white woven trivets for hot dishes from Cazzon are so amazing. These are so cute. I absolutely love having them in my home. The colors are just so perfect for my kitchen, and they make me really excited to use them. It comes with a set of 4 and its own little basket that matches it perfectly. This works so well for anything that you need in the kitchen. I love to make soup, so I definitely put my hot pots and pans on this trivet a lot. I use it for anything around the kitchen that I need to do. And this is just the cutest set I've ever seen. They are so adorable and really, really soft and easy to use, easy to store. I love that they come with their own storage container with that woven basket that matches perfectly. It's definitely an essential to have in your kitchen for putting hot things on, especially if you're cooking a lot, baking a lot, and these are a really, really great option to have in your home. If you're looking for trivets for your home, I definitely recommend these, and that's my point of view.